Hello everyone, this tutorial will demonstrate you on how you can add environment variable in Windows 10. An environment variable is a dynamic named value that can affect the way running processes will behave on a computer. They are part of the environment in which a process runs. Mostly you add SDK and other tools to environment variable so that you can access these tools from CMD in anywhere. Today I will add Flutter SDK so I can execute Flutter commands in CMD opened in anywhere in my computer. So copy the path of the SDK you want to add and open the search and search for edit. Then you can click on edit environment. After this, double-click path and click New. Paste the path and then click OK. Now you have successfully added Flutter path to environment so that you can execute any Flutter command from CMD in any directory of your PC. If this video helps, make sure to give a thumbs up and comment and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.